Hey, so my stream died, but we're back. Unfortunately, I don't think I can reconnect to the same YouTube feed. I think it'll just be a different video. But, whatever. Alright, I'm back, but, let me get all my windows back. I'm restarting Unity. Yeah, my whole computer locked up there. That was really annoying. Luckily, save early and often, right? Oh, did I save Unity? I don't know if Unity saved. Well, we didn't do too much in Unity, but that'd be pretty annoying if it didn't. Alright, well, while Unity load, there it is. Okay, looks like it did save. Let's see, yeah, so I've still got my side slips there. Let's, just run it. Man, I don't know why. I've had my computer lock up a couple times. I don't know what exactly is wrong. But, that's rather obnoxious. Alright, well, we're still good there. Well, I was gonna use a paint to show you, but now I'm scared to launch it. Surely it wouldn't you lock up my computer a second time, would it? But anyways, basically we want to, let's see, forward. Yeah, so basically we want to use the same thing as a bank, but we want to switch forward and right, basically, right? Like if you imagine we bank left, right? So that's like, we'll use ASCII art. So that's like, 2 units up and 1 unit left, right? For a bank left. Instead, we want it to be like 1 unit up and like two units, 2 units left. Oh, my music stopped because I didn't hit loop on it. There we go. So yeah, I think we basically just want to switch forward and right. But, but I think we probably need to negate the right value. Because it should be negative here, but we want it to be positive here. Alright, yeah, so here's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and actually just call, get bank vectors first. Do I want to just... I guess we could go ahead and just pass in the same things. Yeah, let's try that. And then, so we're gonna get a bank left. And then if you're a side slip left, the right value... Actually, no, let's get some temporary. But bank right and bank forward, those are really weird names. But, yeah, let's do it like this. Man, I really don't like bank right as a name. Let's call it temp forward and temp right. Just because bank right and bank left, right? It's a little confusing. Hold on, let me check my YouTube to see what it's doing. Is it even streaming to it at all? Yeah, I don't think it's even streaming at all. Oh no, it does say live. It's private. Why in the world is it private? Oh, this is the problem with, yeah, let me see. I'll mess around with YouTube just a little bit, but then, otherwise we'll just, give up on it. This is the problem with dual streaming. Okay, it does seem to be live. But it was privated earlier, which is kind of annoying. Oh well. Alright. Alright, so, what was I doing? Alright, so we got the bank vectors out, and then for left, the forward amount for left is going to be the right value for a bank left times -1, and the right value is going to be the forward amount also times -1, but for the side slip right, the right value is going to be the same. We'll just do else, I guess, to make the compiler happy there. Alright, so that's my side slip vectors. And for the control point, let's actually do right divided by 2 plus the current position. Yeah, I think that'll do what we want. Alright, where else do we need to touch things? So we got that done. Let me get rid of some of those extra spaces. What's this for? Oh, this is still final position. That's boosting, we don't need to worry about that. Final rotation though, we do need to have something here. So let's go ahead and add in side slip. And basically it'll just be the opposite of a bank. So that's good. That's not a thing. What do I even have all this code here for? And why is this all commented out? Let me just make sure I'm not doing something stupid. So we've got K turn and Talon roll left and right. And then loop is barrel rolling. Oh, it's because I combined it with into this is add yaw effect function. Yeah, so let's just delete all this. We don't need it. Alright, and then and add yaw effect. Yeah, so here we go. We just need to do the same thing here for side slip. And yeah, so same thing, just inversing the left and right. And that should do it for us. Alright, I think that's everything. So let's try it on Unity, right? Alright, so we should be able to just do some side slips now. So let's put it in. Oh, it doesn't quite look right. That's the same. No, it's a little different than bank. I really thought... oh, okay, I see maybe what's going on here. So the yaw amount is correct, but let me just select something with the other guys. But the rest of that's not right. What's not right? Hold on, let me think about that. So it's definitely this function that's wrong. We are calling it. Sometimes you copy and paste and call the wrong function, but we are calling the right function. So let's think about this. So we're getting a bank lefts forward and out. And if we side slip left, our forward amount should be the temp right. sure why that doesn't work. So what we might want to do is debug log what our values are here. That's probably the quickest way to get to the bottom of it. I mean, I could probably also use the debugger, but good old printouts are always pretty solid. So let's do temp forward, and temp right, and then return values forward and right. Alright, let's just do that. That'll get it real quick for us. Alright, so now when we select sides up left, so forward and right. So if we were to do a bank, we would go forward 25 and right -5. So that definitely makes sense. Now we're going to do forward 5 and right -25. That sounds right to me. So why is my ship all the way out here? Actually, no. The right should be plus 25, right? Yeah, we want it to be plus 25. So that part's wrong. Oh, I know what's wrong. It's because I only changed the right. If you're doing a banklet, that's what got me confused. I think. Hold on. Wait, because we're already multiplying by -1. But that doesn't seem right, does it? Hold on, let's try that and see what happens. I mean, that's what the numbers are telling me, but I'm not thinking about it hard enough. So forward 5 and right 25, that should be right. That's clearly not what we're seeing. We're seeing the same numbers as the bank left. Or the bank right. How does that make sense? Wait, no. Right minus. Wait, what is going on here? Is the line coming from the line part? Maybe that's wrong. Alright, we're just gonna copy this. So that's in get final position. Where's get and calculate movement curve? Bezier lookup with. It just takes the points though. So that should be fine. Still a bit of a mystery here as to why it's not correct. How is it moving the ship back or forward? That's blowing my mind. Wow, I really don't get it. Like, how could we be in the same position as bank if we did all that math to it? That's the part I don't get. I mean, we're returning these things. Alright, let's just not be. Hold on. Alright, we're gonna try to make sure we're not crazy. So we're just gonna go with this for now, which should be exactly the same as the bank left. Oh, you can't see it, but I commented everything out. So, it should be the same now. Oh, maybe. Oh, I know what's wrong. Man, I'm dumb. Man, I'm so dumb. Okay, I know what's wrong. Ha ha ha. Oh man, I'm so dumb. Alright, so here's the answer. Here's the answer as to why Arietta has a hole in her head. So, the thing is, the forward vector is going to be like 0, 0, 5, and the right vector is going to be like, 1, 0, 0 or something, right? So the problem is I'm setting the right vector to the same thing. It's not correct. It's not correct at all. So instead what we need to do is we need to probably just rotate the vectors. Alternatively, what could we do? We could probably do something like, take the ship's forward transform, and then, do something like, multiply it by, temp right's magnitude, right? I think that's what we want. Does that make sense? So if effectively think, let's see, so we'll call those T forward and T right. If these were the actual numbers, right? For a bank left, then our ship forward is going to be something like 001 to indicate forward, and then we're going to multiply that by temp right's magnitude, which will be -2, and then we'll end up with like 0, 0, -2. But we want to multiply by -1 as well. Alright, so that's what we want. And we can simplify this by saying that times that. Okay. And that's going to be the same for both. So we can just put that up here. And then for the right, it'll be roughly the same idea. We're going to take our ship's right times the magnitude. Alright, that'll get it done. Good old three vector threes. Alright, so here we go. Oh, I've still got the forward in the wrong direction, but the rest looks good. Why is the forward wrong? Didn't I multiply by -1? Oh, magnitude is not signed. That's right. Alright, well that actually is, that's great. That's what we want then. I forgot about that. Oh wait, do I have... No, I think I have left and right correct. Alright, cool. So we've got our side slip. Maybe we'll do a side slip left over there and a right over here. And this guy will just do something. Alright, it's looking good. Let's zoom in a bit, just to make sure the tilting looks right. We'll just send the other guys off somewhere. Oh, that looks pretty good, I think. Alright, we've implemented a new move. I do kind of want to check to see what the other speeds look like. Not that I expect to have ships with big side slips, but let's just go ahead and add them all just to see. And whoops, let's just make them all one direction. And the great thing is I don't even have to recompile the scripts because it's just a JSON file. Alright, so now, like, there's a 1. Zoom in a little. So that's the 1, then we've got 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, talk about a move, right? Like a 5, that's pretty crazy. We'll just goof off with these guys. Well, it's pretty cool. Alright, well, I'd say our side slip is completed. Booyah! I've got some ideas for other maneuvers, but not sure what ship I'm going to put them on yet. But let's see, I kind of want to fix this bug while I'm thinking about it, where the target locks don't go away. So, when your ship dies, let's see, where do we do that at? Take damage, I think. Alright, since this is a networked function, the health remaining is networked, so then we have this one health remaining changed. So when you hit 0 health, we've got ship death. So in addition to doing these things, we do want to go through all your locks. Let's see, where... This is ships locked on me, so that's not quite right. Oh, lock's not a good name to use either. What is acquire lock? Oh, right, because you can only be locked on one ship at a time. So yeah, let's just call remove target lock, actually. But, I do just want to make sure, that's fine. Oh, right, this is another networked function. Alright, I think this is fine. Actually, what I might do is, I mean, I should be safe to call this. I should be. What I might do is just say if if you have some shots, remove it. Because otherwise, if you don't have any, it got removed already. This will just make sure we don't call it unnecessarily. So yeah, that should be good. Well, that's all I gotta do. That'll fix it up. But I should test it. I gotta test it. I should probably test it networked, but it's gonna take a long time to rebuild the WebGL package. So for now, we're just gonna test it locally, and I'll make a note to test it. To test that later, actually. Alright, so let's go grab a target lock. This guy, I don't need this guy, so I'm gonna just try to get him killed as quickly as possible. And then I only really want one ship, I think. So we're just gonna go die. Alright, you can go die. And then here we want to grab a target lock on this guy. And also not die in the same process. Oh, I probably should have left one ship alive. Because now when I go die, it'll be game over, but it should be good enough, honestly. Yeah, so it went away. So that should be fine. Alright, we got that done. Let's see, do I want to do anything else? I might just call it a stream for now. We did a pretty good job there. So unless somebody watching wants to play with me, we could play online if you want. But if not, I'll go ahead and stop for now. I've got some good ideas to try to make things a little nicer. Like, I want to make it so you can kind of see where the person's mouse is. Kind of like in Tabletop Sim. I think that'll be cool. I'm still a little worried about the height as well. It's kind of hard to tell at a glance what height ships are at. So I'll have to think about that. Yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do next. I should probably split some of this out into lower price stuff. I mean, I do want to make my dragon. That's, I want to do my dragon. I want to do the detailed panel. And we'll stick this up here for now. Oh, you can't see it. Man, the hardest thing about streaming programming is switching between windows on the OBS and for myself. But yeah, I'll try to make the details panel maybe by next time off stream. That'll be cool. And then I do want to have objectives, but I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not sure how I want to score the ships themselves. So I'll have to think about it. And of course we gotta add sound at some point in animations. Like that would make it a lot more cool, more fun to play, I think. But yeah, the dragon's gonna be really cool. He's gonna have side slips. He's gonna be pretty slow, but he's gonna have this melee attack where if he jumps on a ship at the same area, he'll do a ton of damage or something. It'll be cool. Alright, well, thanks for joining me, everybody. I'm sorry we crashed in the middle, but, yeah, I'll see you later. Bye!